And once more, on their final pass before they depart for their home bases, ladies and gentlemen, Chris LeVar in Straw Boss 2, Eddie Andrini in Primo Bronco, as they make their way back home to both Hollister and Long Green Bay, California. Vicky Benzing, Roy Lacey, P-51 Mustang, Frank Tracy and Dan Betts, in Speedboat Ice. Vicky and Dan, both performing great for landing these two aircraft, will be coming back around and touching down here momentarily. Don't have a chance to see these aircraft in the books, and once the pilots have shut down their engines and secured their aircraft the opportunity to meet both of these two air show performers here today.
That's gonna come back.
And a shout out again to the sponsors who have contributed and continue to contribute to the success of the Truckee Tahoe Air Show and Family Festival. Our thanks go out to Grocery Outlet
Vicky Benzing.
Truckee. Grocery Outlet Truckee continues to be a huge supporter of the Truckee Tahoe Air Show. They are locally owned and operated by Ryan and Shannon Parrish. Their two primary focuses are giving back to the community and providing brand name groceries for 40 to 70% less than conventional grocery stores. Their products in the store are reflective of what the local community desires.